these tiles are really cool. They come in a box like this, and inside there's a bag that you can put them in. I love that, so they aren't going to be all over the floor and toy box. And there's different designs, instructions, how to make different things. And then look at all the tiles you get. There's all of these square ones. See, they come apart. There are these, a bunch of those. There are these, and a whole gob of triangles too, to make pyramids and roofs and the such. So all of these you get in the box, and it is fabulous. And then I'll show you how they work. I mean, they just stick together, so as long as your child is 3 or older, they should be fine. I just want to show you how easy these go together, how well they stick together. Here you got this whole stack just stuck together. See that? You can take these squares. A kid can do this very easily, and they just put them together. Take another one. See how easily a cube went together? And you can take the triangles, make a pyramid, just bam, easy as that.